I wish the food is good because this brand I'm eating for the first time. Nice. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Do It My Way. I just wanted to create a small trick for you people. I know that it's not a regards to aviation education or the jobs related, but yes, if you are traveling to different type of hotels, different type of countries, not only cabin crew but also any senior people and all, so I just wanted to tell you that a small trick. I don't know, it's a trick or something which I have came through. I am not a vegetarian actually, but I am a non-vegetarian. I do not eat red meat, I do not eat seafood and all. So I was facing a lot of problems while being on the layovers, going here and there in different part of countries. Right now I am in Johannesburg in South Africa on a layover. So I was previously also when I went to Nigeria, Lagos, I felt that yes, it's not possible to eat what they are really serving. I know, I respect the cultures, I respect the food, but yes, we people do not like to eat the seafood, the proper, the extreme seafood which we don't like. So I thought, why not to make a small trick for you, a thing, what do you say, a hashtag in which I can tell you that yes, a small an idea I want to give you, that yes, if you are not able to eat the food in these type of countries or the areas, what you can do is you can just buy something from your near place. For example, in my city we have a place called as a mall called as Lulu, which is very good. So I used to buy the ready to eat food with we have both options. We have Haldirams as well, we have Gits as well. So in Gits there is no preservatives, but in Haldirams there is, but nevertheless the food is very good, the quality is very good. So what I used to do is, when I used to travel to different kind of countries, so when I know that yes, I'm going to travel here and there, why not to take those things, and why not to make a ready to eat food over there. It's not about saving time, but yes, sometimes you don't like what they are serving on ships and the taste is not that good. So I thought, why not to make a small video for you in case you become, or fortunately when you become a cabin crew and when you fly to different countries in India or outside different places, you can do this particular thing. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna show you how I make food and how I make the chapatis as well, right? So let's go there. And also one thing more, when you go there, you can just order 3 things first in the room, so from the room service. Mostly the hotels charge for it. When you ask them to heat the food, it's okay, you don't need anybody's help. You always have a electric kettle in your room wherever you go in any 5-star hotel or any other hotels as well. And what you need is, you just need an ice bucket without ice, you need a plate, you need a spoon, and you need a bowl. You are good to go, you will eat very nicely, right? So now I'll show you how to do that, right? Let's go there. So guys, as I told you that you need one ice bucket without ice, you need a kettle is always there, you need a plate, you need a spoon, and you need a bowl. You can have this Gits, this is ready to eat again, this is aloo chaat, chana chaat, right? So this is also very delicious. Now you can see it properly. So this is what they said, that yes, heat and eat, right? Aloo chana chaat, diced potatoes, Bengal gram in a tangy spicy sauce, no preservatives, 100% vegetarian, no added MSG, authentically cooked in India. So this is what we're gonna have it. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna heat it in the water, right? What you're gonna do is, I have just added some water in this, right? So now I'm gonna switch it on, right? Once the water is properly boiled and heating, and it is heating it properly, so what you're gonna do is, I can transfer this water to this, and then I'm gonna cover this with this lid, or I'm gonna use this plate. So this will be very easy trick, and I'll show you how we're gonna do it. I'm just waiting for the water to be heated properly. And so guys, I've taken out the pouch and it is ready to eat meal, right? So heating instructions are there. There are 2 options, stove top, but they have recommended that you have to, it's recommended one, you just need to immerse that into the water, boiled water for 3 to 5 minutes, and it will be good to go, because I've been having from last 2 to 3 layovers. And the next option is microwave one. So what they're recommending is, you can just go for stove top, or else the option which I'm telling, because it's not recommended there. So that's why I'm making this food. So now I think so the water is properly heated. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take out the water, right? I'm gonna put it slowly. I'm emptying the pouch so that the money which I have spent, I should not waste even a single penny. So on it, I'm gonna see it. So guys, the food is ready. I'll just taste and I'll tell you how's the food. Don't expect the homemade food, but yes, the food would be good. Not spicy. Salt is good. It is a bit sweet and sour. I'm sorry, I'm eating. I'm so hungry. I had a workout right now and I wanted to share it with you. I hope you're liking the videos. I will surely make sure, and Suraksha will also make sure that the videos are consistent. And that's all. Thank you so much guys for this particular video. If you like my trick, please do hit the like button. If you do subscribe the channel as well, gives me a lot of motivation. And at 5,000 subscribers, I'm planning to do something. We'll surely do something, right? So guys, wherever you are, please do support, please do subscribe, and please do share the video. It's just very small and simplest trick for you. Once you become a cabin crew, you will really respect this type of thing which I have created for you, because this will really help you, because food is what we are living for. And if you don't get the preferred food, I don't think so. Earning 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs also is worth, right? So I'll see you in the next video with a very fruitful and informational video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.